Are you ready to unlock the true power of quality? There's more than just to inspect finished goods. Join me as we deep dive into the world of quality, covering everything from what, why, who, and how in two parts video. You will be surprised to learn that even some top manufacturing professionals does not have a full grasp of quality. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of quality definitions, its importance, and who truly owns it. As a former quality department head, I have encountered numerous candidates for quality engineer and manager positions who struggle to answer the most basic questions. What is quality? Get ready to level up your career as a quality engineering pro by diving into the true essence of quality. The definition of what is quality by American Society of Quality is that the product must be fit for use in its intended purpose and can satisfy and imply the customer's needs. So the product must be free of deficiencies, able to function without problem for its intended purpose. This means if I buy a refrigerator, it should have frozen compartments for my frozen foods and chiller to preserve my food items at low temperature and able to function according to the feature given by the manufacturer, and I should be able to install the refrigerator without any problem, which is free from deficiencies. After installation, the refrigerator should work. So, consumer and producer actually look at quality differently. As a producer, if I produce or supply parts which comply to customers' requirement, fit for use and free from defect, the product is good quality. For a consumer, this would consider as an expected feature, such as the refrigerator example, that we expect refrigerator to function after setup and plug-in electricity. And consumer has a very subjective view on quality, which could mean that something extra may be at a reasonable cost. In a more holistic way of defining quality would be well-designed products according to consumers' needs, maybe using the Kano analysis or the House of Quality analysis to map out the customer's need and the product feature itself, made from good grades or high grades material, which is very important, originated from well-controlled process. That means the process is well maintained, well controlled, and there is not much variations in the process output. So it should be a very narrow, less variations process, minimal handling of the product, which will means that there is also no excessive testing or inspection, appropriate check and balance process which reflect the performance of the product itself, do it right the first time, and finally able to function even beyond its warranty period. If the products can fulfill the above 7 criteria, we will have good quality products, and we can also meet the cost objective of both producer and consumer, because sometimes cost is viewed as quality from consumer points of view. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content in the future. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you. So, why quality is important? Quality is important actually to achieve customers' satisfaction and also their loyalty. From a science perspective, you must ensure that customer is
willing to spend money to buy your product and not your competitor's product. Customer is the one that determines the quality value of your products based on how much the product fulfill their requirements and beyond, which sometimes include price target. Some customers are also willing to pay a little bit extra for a reputable brand which they associated to quality in their perception. Therefore, a producer must be able to market a product which perceived as good quality to sell the product. And one of the key questions is who owns quality in an organization?
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today.
Throughout the years of me interacting with many companies, most of the buyers or most of the companies will tell me that quality departments owes quality. I'm sure you will give the same answer if you are not really a qualified quality or experienced quality practitioner. The correct answer is actually everybody in the organizations owns quality because quality has to be designed in, planned, built in, and not achieved through inspection. Most of the people or organization has misconception that inspection process really create quality products and inspection function is the main function of quality department. So sometimes the poor quality department has to be blamed if customer has received defects or poor quality products.
Just like a musician using different instruments to create a masterpiece in an orchestra, each department in a manufacturing organization plays a critical role in crafting high quality products. However, if one musician is out of tune or one department falls short, it can have a disastrous effect on the final product. So, who do you think plays the role of the quality department in the orchestra? Is it the conductor ensuring each musician is in tune and following the score, or is it the musicians themselves, each taking the responsibility for the quality of their individual contributions? I am eager to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you gain valuable insights from today's video. If you find this helpful, please share my channel with your friends and colleagues so they can benefit from it too. Do not miss the second part of the power of quality, which focuses on how. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.